This film is about Renewcell, a Swedish award-winning company with a patented technology that recycles high cellulosic waste into pure, natural, dissolving pulp. This audio description describes the scenes and translates the dialogue in the film. The film is brought to you by the Swedish Institute and Svensk Form, the Swedish Society of Crafts and Design, as part of Swedish design movement. You have to tell the customer that it's been recycled. You can't feel it, and that's what's new about this. My name is Harald Cavalli Björkman. I'm Chief Marketing Officer at Renewcell. The film's title says Renewcell on Fashion Waste. Sunny city views of Stockholm, Sweden. We often get questions when we meet design managers. What does this mean? What are the characteristics? What do I do? We tell them it's the same. We want to show that it's a quality material with the same characteristics as what they're already working with. My name is Tahani Kaldeus. I'm head of research at Renewcell. The research officer is working in the lab. This is mainly different shirts, or rather colored shirts. We have some requirements on what type of textile waste we can accept, but I'm not fussed what color it is. We break it down anyway and make new things from it. Now Harald continues. We have to show examples of what's possible to make from it. The best example is when it's out in the shops in a brand people know. We've been able to replace 40% of the cotton in a pair of Levi's jeans with viscose, half of which comes from recycled jeans. That's obviously very attractive. We created 2 styles in collaboration with Levi's. The feel of them is fantastic. The Renewcell process is shown in a diagram following pictures of the various steps, ending in the final garment, a pair of jeans, a dress. We start by taking old denim or some other cotton waste that people have handed in. It's been sorted and deemed not to be suitable for resale. We then run it through our patented chemical process. When the chemical process is done, we end up with this white fluff. It's basically pure cellulose. It's called dissolving pulp. We market it as Circulose, circular cellulose, quite simply. Various pictures in the lab showing how used cotton turns into new material. Even if the clothes industry isn't a leader, you can still lead an evolution, where you make use of available opportunities, the industries and machines that are there. You can connect the various pieces that are already in place. Turning pages of a fashion magazine. Glass bottles containing fabrics. There are 1.7 billion new middle-class consumers entering the world. We need new ways of thinking about materials and design to be able to meet the demand. We can achieve that with innovations like Renewcell. The Swedish design movement brings together Swedish design companies who believe design can accelerate progress to a sustainable society. This film is brought to you by the Swedish Institute and Svensk Form, a film by the Collectors.tv, produced by Note Design Studio, and music by Upright Music.